Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make gluten-free 3-ingredient strawberry shortcake. You will need 3 cups of heavy whipping cream, a pound of strawberries, and a bag of gluten-free shortbread cookies. Wash your strawberries, and you can wash them just still in the carton because there's holes in the bottom of the carton. Then cut the tops off and cut them into little discs. Put them in a bowl and set the bowl aside. Then pour your heavy whipping cream into a mixing bowl. And beat on high until soft peaks form within about 2 minutes. Then line the bottom of a baking pan with whipped cream, then a layer of strawberries, another layer of whipped cream, a layer of cookies, another layer of whipped cream, and strawberries. I like to sprinkle the top with cookie crumbs. And you're ready to serve. This is a great dessert that's almost healthy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time that I post a video. I will see you guys next week. Bye!